In this video, let's see how to use the network report in yCrash. This report gives you the network statistics like how many hosts to which your application is connected to and what are the TCP IP states in which those connections are. Here, you can see there are 8 hosts, 12 UDP connections and 99 TCP IP connections that are made from your application. This shows what is the ping duration, that is the round-trip time to go to google.com. So by default, the tool connects to google.com. However, you can override this based on the configuration property. You can configure any host so that round-trip time will be displayed here. This gives you a summary of all the TCP IP states. 35 of them are in an established state, 28 in a closed wait state, 23 in a time wait state, and 13 in a listen state. This section shows the TCP IP connections established with various hosts. And here is a detailed section which shows what are the hosts to which your application is connected with and how many connections are there. You can see for this host, there are 20 connections and what TCP IP states they are. So, 14 of them are in an established state, and 6 of them are in the time waiting state. And for this host, there are 13 connections, 10 are established, and 3 are in closed wait. You can sort them based on the connection count. If you want to see all the hosts, you can click Show All Host, and all the connection details will be displayed. Say suppose you're seeing a lot of fin wait or fin connections building up here. And it's an indication that the connections on one side are not closed by the other side. Then maybe you have to look into the network settings of the kernel to see whether you want to fix it. If there is some database connection leak, then to that particular host you will see more connections to be built up. Thank you for watching this video and follow us for more updates.